Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have a small Aliexpress haul to share with you guys of things that I've been collecting over the months. So first of all, I had to re-up on my ruffled tulle that I love to use in my projects. This is not the same one that I used previously. For some reason I couldn't find it. So I grabbed that one, which is like a smaller, not a pleat. I'm really particular about my ruffles. This is more of a pleat. This is more of just a ruffle. And so this one is pleated. It's mint. I got it in mint and pink, and the pink is like a little bit brighter than that one. So of course I grabbed like, I think 2 yards each of the pink. I love grabbing that tulle from Auntie Allie. Okay. I picked up some more of these pink spiders. I'm trying to see where it opens. Do you guys hate all this plastic like noise? I hate it. And I feel like I'm annoying you guys right now. Oh my god, I can't get it open. But yeah, these are what they look like. They go perfect with any Halloween crafting. So I grabbed the whole bag of the pink. Guys, I don't remember the prices. They were not that much. You guys know how I am. I love me a good bargain. Auntie Allie has gotten so expensive, which I would think it would be the opposite with so many competitors, you know? And the shipping has just gotten outrageous. So I only pick up things that are a great deal, that I can't find anywhere else, and that typically have free shipping or, you know, like really barely any shipping. I put these in a bag. Okay. So then I grabbed some of these, and I think I grabbed like a couple packs of these. They are the perfect pink, you guys. The perfect pink. And how many come in here? 12 pack. So they're just these, I don't even know what you call them, ball chain connectors. So you can like dangle things and you just kind of, you know, stick it there. You know, you guys know what this is. So I grabbed that. Perfect pink color. I think over time I'll grab like black and purple and all them other colors. I picked up some of these bead caps. They actually sell these at Hobby Lobby, but they're the cheapest on Auntie Allie. And I love these for my bigger beads to make pumpkins. They're for bigger beads. It doesn't say how many, but as you can tell, it's a really nice amount. So I grabbed those. I grabbed a set of these. These were really cheap. They're like these little things that I like to put my little gems on, like my little diamond dots and stuff when I'm working with them. And it's a whole pack of them. 3, 6. There's a pack of 10. So I grabbed that. I grabbed these pink Spideys. They're charms. Look at how cute they are. They're so cute, you guys. And I don't know how many are in here. Usually, if it comes in like a pack of 10, I try to get 20. Because, like, I love charms. Love, love, love. I grabbed these, a whole bunch of these for my flower centers. And shout out to Lisa, Happy Crafter. She put me up on these. So I grabbed those. I grabbed these charms right here, and I don't love them. I definitely did not realize that it had that damn star there. I'm not into stuff like that. But it's got a jump ring already made in it, and it's really well made. So maybe I'll cover that up with like a flower or something, or a bow. And as you can see, I got like 20 of them probably. Because like I said, when it comes to charms, baby girl, 510 is not enough for me. I grabbed these. They definitely looked way better on the site. What the hell is a pite? And I don't like the way they look, guys. They look very cheap. They're like a plastic, like, and not even a hard plastic. You see how they're kind of like, I don't know what it is about them that I don't like. I think it's got like splatters or something. They just look kind of cheaply made to me. So I grabbed a pack of those. What else do I got in here? I grabbed some more of those chains. You see, guys, I went crazy with the chains. I grabbed like 4 packs of those so I could never run out. These are so cool. I grabbed these and I love that they're tiny. They're tiny little metal pieces. And I want to use them on my tiny little flowers for centers. They're actual metal. They're gorgeous, you guys. So I grabbed those, and then I grabbed some jump rings. Not jump rings, bead caps. You see how this says 40? That does not look like 40. I know that they're like stacked on top of each other, but sometimes 40 is not enough, you guys. I'll run through these so quickly because I usually do 2 to a bead. And you can use these as flower centers as well. Look how pretty they are. So I'll have to order some more of those. What else do I got here? Some more of these that fell out. So I ordered 2 packs of those. And you see, they're going to go quick, guys. Like 1 batch of flowers and then I'm going to be done with these. So I have to get more. And then I purchased these. I've seen these around for quite some time. And they're like a little resin or plastic, acrylic. They're acrylic. And I don't know if you can tell, but it's like pearlized, like a smoky effect. They're kind of cute. They definitely look way better than these. But again, like on the pictures, I don't know. They just look so much better on the pictures. This right here is from, I think her name is Nina. I purchased this, I think, last month. Sorry that I'm just now showing it, but I had it here in my Aliexpress bag. And so I picked up some bows from her and then this pack of beads. She was able to create this bag for me. Thank you so much. I'll have her link down below, guys. She does these stashes and sells things every once in a while. Look at how cute. Those crack ones are beautiful. I have to find those. So I grabbed that. Okay, I got another bag here. Like I said, I usually don't grab things if they're not the best deal. I have so much stuff in my cart though. Okay, yay, here goes these. So I grabbed 3 packs of those little small ones. And it still does not look like enough, guys. I'm going to run through these. Like I'm telling you, just make a couple batches of flowers and then they're done for. So these are probably the most expensive charms that I grabbed. And I didn't care because they're so damn cute. I think I paid a nice amount of shipping. It wasn't that expensive. Just like, you know, more than I would typically spend on Ali for it. Look at how pretty they are, you guys. And they are golds. I love this little like image. Badass. I have to get more of these. But there's only 5. Okay. Next bag. Next bag. These are actually from last year, you guys. I purchased these last year and I never hauled it. This was a free gift from a seller, some washi. And I picked up these wooden ghost beads. They are the perfect ghost. My favorite ghost image. My favorite. And I hate that it is, you got to beat it from the sides. I wish that it was like, you know, top bottom. But these are bomb. I love, love, love this. I also picked these up last year. And let me see how these... These are from side to side as well. They're like little clay beads. So those are from last year. I never shared. And then I picked these up a couple months ago. Some faux cabochons. And I still have some orders trickling in. Look at these, they're so cute. So I love the shape of the bow. It's like a twisted bow. You know how typically both of the tails will come down? They're side to side. So yellow with the pink flower, a darker pink with the light pink. And then look at the lilac with the pink, blue with the pink center, and then the light blue with the teal middle. And you see, you get a nice amount. I ordered 2 packs of these. I really run through my my bow cabochons. So I always have to make sure that I have a ton because I just want to put them on everything. What else? I feel like I have more than this. Let me just double check, guys. I don't know. If I come across the rest of the stuff, I'll probably do it in another video. So I picked these up. I've had these in my cart for forever. And they're just some like little tulle pom-poms, which are a pain in the ass to make. I hate making tulle pom-poms. It takes up so much tulle. So I grabbed the mint. Would you call this mint or teal? And then I grabbed the pink, which is a darker pink, a brighter pink. And then I grabbed these. I've been having these in my cart for forever. And I finally checked out. They're beautiful beads, guys. They're faceted hearts and they string up and down. So I got them in the white. How many come in here? Maybe 25? I don't know. And then the pink are so beautiful. Look at how pretty. They're so pretty, you guys. And they have every color, every color. I gotta collect all the colors. I want the light yellow. I want the purple. I gotta have all the colors. But I think like stuff was, I just always every now and again, I'll check out $30. I'll spend $30 here, $20 here, and grab some things that I had in my cart. So that's it for this video, guys. I'm gonna keep it super short. And I will catch you guys in the next video. I will have that D-stash link down below. And let me know if you see something here that you want me to link. And I will link it for you. All right. Bye, guys.